Okay, last part of creating a new person. We've done the CV with some pointers on the formatting. We've also done the test person gallery. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new sidebar element and put in the widgets that you need to make the links work. And then once we've created that sidebar, we then have to go into the 2 pages we've created to change the sidebar setting, and that basically is how it works. So first of all, I have to go into the Genesis link and then down to simple sidebars. Okay, I click on that and I'm just got to create simply a name, so I just call it test person, and this is going to be the name of the sidebar that we're going to use. The ID is basically the same name without any spaces. You will get an error if you don't put that in. It's just like to be used sort of locally. Then I click on add a new sidebar. Now once that's successfully done, it will say it up there, and when we scroll to the bottom here, you'll see we've got the test person gallery, the test person sidebar. Okay, so that's now added into our widget section, which is where we create the various elements. So we now go to appearance and widgets. Now, because of the number of people we've got on board and the number of sidebars, obviously it's extending the page somewhat. So I'll try and keep this as simple as possible. When you scroll down, you'll see all these names down the side here. Okay, now your one's going to be at the bottom. You'll see also that we've got basically a sort of similar format for each of these elements. Now, the print PDF, or the print CV will automatically appear on the pages, on the CV pages, so you don't have to worry about that, and don't worry about these elements at the bottom. What we're going to do is, when you look at these, we've got just this simple link list, okay, and it purely is just the various information for the different links up the side. The only input we're going to have is this wording. Now, what I'm going to do is we're going to open that box up. I'm going to go back to the top, and somewhere in here, just there, we have this simple link list widget element. I'm just going to roll that to the bottom. I've got hold of it, I'm clicking and holding, and I'm dropping that into the test person box, and the title is going to be links because that's what we've got across the page. I've always got at the start, I've done the way that I've done it is view CV, view gallery will be the second link, okay, and the final link, if you have it, well, you can put what you want in, but the final link would be view website. Okay. Now, so what we now need to do is we need to pick up the test person CV address. Now I'm just going to save that widget. Really, if I thought about it, I've already done it before, and then we just go back into all pages, all posts, and from the various pages here, so we've got that. We click on edit test person, okay, and we select, see it says permalink. What we do is we just select that, okay, and that is going to be copied and pasted into the widget link at the bottom. Now, what you can also do here, which I tend to do, is I work in multiple windows, so I've just copied that and I've pasted that, and I've now got 2 things going on. So, excuse me, I've got the edit of that gallery, and I'm also of that page. I'm also back in here, so I can go back to my appearance widgets. Okay, scroll it to the bottom. Okay, I open up that box because that's where the element that I need to look at is the simple link list. And here we have the link for the view CV. No, we don't. That's a lie. I've just copied and pasted something else. Right, okay, so right, no, what we do is we take the permalink from this page, which is that element, we copy that and we paste it in there. So that is the view CV link. Now, keeping this window open, I go back to the other editing window, I go back to all posts, look at the gallery page which we just created. Okay, edit the gallery page, and we will be given the link for a gallery page, which is the permalink at the top, and that again is what we can paste into the the box that we need. Okay, copy that, paste that into the second link, which is view gallery. And then finally we've got the website. Well, this is going to be an external link, so you go http:// and we'll put it in Google just for the sake of argument, but this will be the person's web address. And what we want to do always with external links, I would suggest that you click on open in a new window. And that's that. That's the links that are set up now down the side. Okay. Now finally, to tie the whole lot together, so that's that link bar. You can then, if you wanted to, you can also put in like other elements. So if you want to put the quotes in, we would lift up this text and drop that into that box, but we'll go into it on another session. Now to link them all together, all we do is we go back to these edits here. So we'll edit the test person gallery, and we go down to select sidebar selection, and we choose primary sidebar, and we choose test person. Okay, then we basically update that, because that one has been published. And then we go back to all posts, and we have to go back to the CV page for test person. Okay, making sure while you're working on it as well that the various elements are in the right place. So see, this is listed in clients, but we need that to be in, say, directors if he's a director. Okay, and also we're now going to choose the primary sidebar of test person. Click OK, update. Okay, so that basically has completed that. Just to show you how that works, what we'll do is once that's been updated, I will click on the view post, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that everything will work. There we go. So we've got the formatted page, we've got the test information, we have the view CV, we've got the view website, which goes to Google, we have got the view gallery, and if we click on view gallery, it will take us to the gallery we created, which also in turn has this element here without the print button, which is what we want. So there we go. I hope that explains that. Good luck. If you've got any questions, you know where to come.